We got more news coming through and confirmation of what is already doing the rounds on social media. Viewers, that a Hindu youth, was picked up by groups on just a mere allegation of insulting religion. And this happened in the Dubalia Para, residence of the Square Master Bari in Bhaluka, Upazila. This is about 80 kilometers from Dhaka. This mob of radicals, Islamist radicals, they actually beat this youth up and then tied him up to a tree and burnt him alive. So they literally roasted this youth, and that's the level of bigotry, hatred that is currently being seen amidst these rampant radicals on the streets of Bangladesh. Kamalika joins us with more. Yes, Kamalika.
Yeah, as we were pointing out that now again that persecution on the Hindus, the minorities out there has started. This is, as you were pointing out, this person was brutally killed and he was tied up with the tree, and there was nobody who came to help this person and nobody came to rescue this person. We know that Chinmay Krishna Prabhu is still inside the jail, and when there was a huge international pressure, then that this type of attacks, this type of tortures which were taking place against the minorities reduced a little bit, but now again it is all on roads, and you can see that this is Maimansingh is a very important place, and there such an Hindu person, he has been prosecuted like this,
Name
and he
this
was
person.
and he was tied
His
to the
name is
tree and
Dipu
is being
Chandra
set on
Das.
fire.
Kamalika, the world needs to know. His name is Dipu Chandra Das, and he was nothing but a normal garment factory worker. He was a common person, citizen of Bangladesh, a garment factory worker who was picked up by these people. He was staying in a rented accommodation in this area, and he was picked up, and the station duty officer could do nothing. They could do nothing. And viewers, we are not even able to put out pictures, treated visuals or masked visuals, because the pictures are so gory that we can't take it on air. This is the status of minorities in Bangladesh. Dipu Chandra Das is lynched, he's tied to a tree, and he's burnt alive. And there is not a single
So
word
that
of condemnation or
yes.
condolence that's come from Mohammed Yunus, who's busy trying to turn a radical leader into a
Yes,
hero.
that is what is more surprising. That means somewhere down the line that these radicals are being instigated by the government themselves, because they are on roads, and when people are asking for help, I was just talking with some of the Bangladeshi journalists who were not even able to talk properly, and they were saying that the entire state is in an anarchy and nobody is helping him. This is a Hindu person who was there, who was, as you also pointed out, he was in a rented house, and he has been killed brutally. What wrong has he done? And we know that this is not new thing in Bangladesh, but with this situation, the radicals have totally taken over Bangladesh. That's a big question. And this is an entire pre-planned thing. That is also a question, because we just spoke to Mohibul Hasan Chowdhury, the former Minister of Awami League. He told us that this is something which they feel that absolutely pre-planned. They don't want election, but this is the way where minorities in this region, they are persecuted from the time after this 5th August. There are a lot of such incidents, and there are a lot of such incidents. Police has not done anything, army has not done anything until now. That is continuing. That is which is something very scary right now. People, minorities who are there in Bangladesh, they are seeking help, but they are not getting that help from anywhere.
Where Dipu Chandra Das lynched, tied to a tree, and roasted alive by a bunch of radical Islamists who are getting a free run in Bangladesh, while the interim advisor sits there and tries to mollycoddle these rabid radicals. That's what's happening in Bangladesh, viewers. We've got to take a very short break. We'll be right back. Stay with us.